Hi there, my name is Dan Perry and I'm an estate planning attorney here in Nashville, Tennessee with Rabalais Law. And I was talking with a couple recently from Brentwood following one of our educational events, and they asked me a question and said, we want to start giving away some money to our son and our daughter. However, are we going to owe any taxes on these gifts? Well, this is a very common question that I get. However, the answer to this question a lot of times is no. You're not going to owe any taxes. Now, the IRS lets you give away up to $14,000 each year or $28,000 in joint assets that you hold with a spouse each and every year without any tax consequences. However, this tax that I'm referring to is called the federal estate and gift tax. And this tax also governs how much in assets that you can give away to your loved ones at your death without any tax consequences. Now, the IRS lets you give away $5.4 million in assets at your death without any tax consequences. But if you do end up giving away more than this at your death, then unfortunately your loved ones that you leave behind are going to be assessed a tax on that amount over $5.4 million. Now, what does this have to do with the gift tax that I just described? Well, if you give away more than $14,000 in a year, or $28,000 of joint assets in a year, well, then that $5.4 million exemption from the federal estate tax is going to be reduced by the amount that you gave away in that particular year. Now, for a lot of families, this really doesn't mean anything because they don't die with $5.4 million or more in assets. And this really just applies to the top 1% of Americans here in Tennessee. Now, if you have any more questions about taxes or estate planning in general, what I'd really like to do is invite you to one of our upcoming free educational events. You can register to them today here on our website at www.rl-danperry.com, or you can call me at 615-324-7858, or you can email me to register at dan.perry@rabalaislaw.com. And I look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming educational events. I'd like to thank you for watching again, and have a great day.